Yes, Isaac? You wanted to tell us something? What do you want to tell Mama? Well, really? Tell me more. Yeah? Tell me more. Isaac is almost 8 months old. He is practically walking. I'd rather you not start walking quite so soon, Isaac, if it's all the same to you. He already managed to push this toy halfway across the floor. What are you looking at down there? What is it? Oh! My shadow's in there, that's better. Hi. Yeah? Oh, your sister put stickers on the wall. Oh, what fun! Stickers! Yeah. That's my big man, right there.